One dip, one sip. Lame. Should have done this instead of this. Hey guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys had a kick-ass new year. So for New Year's, my very first video, I thought that I'll just keep it fun and simple. And I recently came across this one dip challenge and I found it super fun. So I thought, I wanted to give it a try, so I thought, why not? So I'm gonna start off the year, my very first video, with a one dip challenge. So let's go. So guys, I have nothing, absolutely nothing on my face. Of course, I've moisturized my face and all of that. So the first thing is I always do is I start off with my eyes, and for today I'll be using this palette because this is the most pigmented palette that I own. So I'll start off with this, and I will not be using an eye primer for this because I do not have any eye primer in that dip form or a pump form. So I don't want to end up cheating, so which is why I'm going to skip that and just go on with the eyeshadow. So I'm planning to play around with these purple shades, these ones, and a little bit of gold. Maybe I'll add somewhere in between, we'll see. But yeah, that's my plan. So let's see how that goes. All my dips will be in front of the camera, so you guys will know that I'm not cheating at all. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going is just like a base color, which is the desert sand. And one dip. And this is fun. So next up for the crease, I'm going to use the amethyst shade, and I'm using the brush from Colorbar, which is a crease brush. One dip. Okay, this wasn't sufficient because there's hardly any color there, but you can work around it. So that's after one dip. It's quite light, but it is what it is. So next I plan to use the shade Royal on my lid. I'm using the Pack brush ES01. Nice dip. I'm just gonna spread it so that both the sides have enough. One dip challenge is not that much of a task for me because as it is, I don't do a lot of loud makeup. I do very simple makeup, wherein even every day I don't take a lot of dips either. So it's quite simple. I mean, you guys, if you guys are into heavy makeup, you might find it light, but this is the kind of stuff I am into actually. So I'm gonna nail this, hopefully. Okay, next up, I am planning to take this shade Twilight. But I'm planning, because it's a shimmer shade, I'm thinking of not using a brush because hardly shimmers get picked up by brushes, right? So I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to take a nice swipe from my finger. So here goes. It's a nice shade. Not bad. You know what, I just thought that I'll come up with a one dip challenge with like the products you hate the most, which means like the products that are probably not pigmented at all and all of that. That'll be super fun. Maybe we'll try that next week or something. With that, next I'm gonna take this shade OUD and do the outer corner of my eye. Again, one dip. Yes, spoil the palette. Never mind. And I'm not dipping this brush again. I'm just gonna use the same leftover under my eye as well, if there is any, that is. There isn't any. Okay, I'm probably gonna try that with a new color. That's allowed, right? I'm taking a new color, so I'm not cheating. I'm taking the color Saffron. Oops. Okay, I'm not gonna use it because I dipped it twice. So I'm not gonna cheat, so I'm gonna keep this aside. Alright? Okay. So I won't be able to do my under eye thing, but it's fine. Moving on, not being stuck up in life, I'm gonna use the shade Nafrati, whatever, for my inner corner. One dip. Next, I'm going to use the eyeliner by Maybelline. Let's see. This kind of seems stressful. So, one dip. I'm not gonna, like, I usually like, do that, but this time I won't because I need everything. Okay. Done. So moving on to mascara, and you're taking one dip. I'm just removing the excess. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Done. Okay, so I'm not going to use anything for the eyebrows or kajal because I don't have either of them in dip forms. I'm a makeup enthusiast, yes, but I'm new in this, to the whole vlogging thing, so I don't have everything in the world, and neither do I have the money to buy everything right now on my own. So I don't have everything, okay? Next, we are going to move to the base. I am done with the eyes, which is not bad, huh? Okay, so for the base, I am going to use the PAC foundation. This is a little darker than my skin tone, but this is legit one of the best foundations that I have used. I mean, ignoring the wrong shade that I got, of course, but a really, really good foundation and has a nice heavy pump. It's a pump bottle. And then there is this liquid highlighter, which I like mixing with the foundation to give a nice dewy look. Here goes nothing. So I'm going to take one pump of the foundation. One pump. It's a good enough pump. It's a nice foundation. You don't, honestly, even on an everyday basis, don't need so much. I'm gonna take one of this. This also I will not take full because it's too much of highlight and I don't want to shine so much. So, and now I will mix both of these. This is the best way to apply a foundation. Like, it really gives you a nice base, like nice dewy base. You guys can see how this is so not my color, but now that I have it, I got to use it. I'm going to thoroughly apply on my neck as well so that I don't look odd. And this was actually something that I did not buy online. I bought it from the store and the lady gave me the wrong color. Kismat. And we blend. You guys see how good this foundation is? Like, it bends so smoothly into your skin. No creaks, no cracks. Damn nice. If only I had it in my shade, that'd be nice. cool. So I've blended this. So after blending, it does not really look that bad, like, because I know that this is not my color, but I do look a lot yellow, yes, but it is what it is. So next up, I'm gonna set my face with Color Bar loose powder, and that's all I got. Cool. Done with setting. I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to use the Infallible Pro palette and one dip. I didn't get anything here. Fine. Next, we're going to use the blush. This is the MAC blush in the shade That's Peachy. And I'm going to use the Beauty Blender and take. Shit, I got nothing. Okay, let's see. Okay. No blush. I got nothing. Should have done this instead of this. I have blush here, but I don't have it here. Amazing. Moving on to the highlighter. I'm using the same Beauty Blender, but this time I won't do this. I'm gonna take a good swipe. So I'm gonna use this part and nothing really came out. I should have used a brush. Oops. So my blush and highlighter went a fail because I chose to use the Beauty Blender. I should have just used the blush and brush instead. Fine. Last thing is a lipstick. I'm using the Bobbi Brown one in the shade Crushed Liquid Lip is the lipstick type. The Juicy Date. I never used this side of the wand ever. Today is desperate times. And we're done. Okay, now wait, we have one thing, which is the setting spray. One spray. I literally just have it here and nowhere else. Guys, I am done with the one dip challenge. I pretty much used everything that I could in the one dip challenge. Of course, there were certain things that I did not have in a dip form, so I had to skip that part. But I think I did a pretty decent look. Like, this is the kind of makeup that I would generally also do every day. I don't do a lot of heavy makeup as it is. Yeah, I mean, I do like blush and highlighter being a little heavy, but that I kind of messed up because I used up the Beauty Blender, so that went wrong. But overall, I think it's not that bad. Well, let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is going to be all about skincare, makeup, hair care, lots of DIYs, a lot of fun makeup challenges or any other kind of challenges coming up. And yeah, so if you guys liked watching this video, like my content, do consider subscribing to my channel. I'm also there on Instagram. This is my name on Instagram. Do consider following me there as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.